What's going on YouTube? 2011, Alan and Ginter. I think this is our third video from the new view. Our little brother's doing the set. There's quite a few already. Okay, 8 packs. Come on top. Okay, we got, move it back a little bit. Desmond Jennings rookie, Royal Wedding, 100 pence, Hudson, mini of Casimir, and Hometown Years Pavano. Next, second pack. Okay. Angel Pagan, Drew, Verlander, highlight sketches, Rangers, a Ramirez mini, and Hometown Heroes Dan Ogba.
Let's get into it.
You say it in line?
Yeah.
Third pack. Curtis Granderson, Pena, Wilson, Jason Hayward, a mini of Igor, I don't know. Then Floating Fortresses, Mary Rose. Santa Maria, duty on the bottom. Next pack, we got 4 after this left. Fiore, Bold, Mitz, McGee, code card, Nick Swisher, black border, that's sweet, mini, then a Hometown Heroes of Leicester.
And
4 packs, man. You getting some cards you didn't have? Okay. Checklist. We got Saunders, Swisher. I don't know.
Probably with a puzzle piece.
Tulowitzki mini and Hometown Heroes, Austin Jackson.
3 packs left.
Hit. Finally for him. He's done so many of these. One time he bought my brother one and he got a hit. Lenane Ward, Jay Bruce, Cody Bross, Mini, Marcor, I don't know, and Alessandro Volta.
Mine's an 8.
So 1 left and we got the hit. Okay, so we got Zambrano, Jurgens, Porcello, sketches of Aroldis Chapman.
That's sweet.
Boo. He hit Kutch. Mini of the knife throwing, Hometown Heroes, Mark Teixeira. And we got the hit coming up. Hopefully not. Probably not. Roberts, Dunn, Miguel Cabrera jersey.
That's sweet.
It's nice. And then a mini of Mike Stan, or Giancarlo, whatever you want to call him.
Blue border.
That's regular.
I know.
Alright. Peace. Thanks.